Hello everyone, welcome to MFC programming tutorial. Today we are going to learn how to add view in MDI application. Let's open Visual Studio first. To file, new, under file new, project, Visual C++, from Visual C++, MFC, under MFC application. Give the name of the project you want. I'll change the location first. Give the name of the application. I'll give it as MFC view. Press OK. To next. You can see under application type dialog multiple document. From here tab document, uncheck this. It's a next. From user interface dialog feature, select use a ribbon. And go to next. From advanced feature dialog, uncheck this. Next. By default, these 5 classes will be created by the framework: document class, app class, view class, child frame class, and main frame class. Click finish. Once you click finish, you will get window like this. You can see project creation successful. Now we will start how to add view. Go to view. From view, go to resource view. Expand to dialog, right click, add resource, expand this dialog, select IDD form view, new. Now let's increase this view size. Let's delete this. Just press delete, and let's add this static control. Go to view. From view, toolbox, select a static text, add here, enlarge this, and right click on this control, properties. Let's change the caption of this static control. I'll change it to my first view. Done. Now you can see the change here. Let's close this properties window. Then next, under resource view, click on ribbon, this idea ribbon. Here we'll, from toolbox, check, drag and drop a button, place it here. For this button, we'll change the properties of this button. Right click on this button, properties. Let's change the caption of this button. I'll make it to view. You can see this. Now today, whenever now I press this button, this view saying that my first view should get display. On pressing this button, this view should get display. For that, we have to add a handler. Right click, add event handler, select C mainframe. I'll choose C mainframe class and change the name of the handler. I'll change it to on view, and press C mainframe and main view, add and edit. You can see it here. Increase the font. You can see it here on view, in mainframe class. It is there. Here we need to add code to display this view. So for that, this view we have to add class. Double click on this view, add the class name here. I'll give it as CFP fv first view, and from base class select form view, C form view. Now click finish. You can see here this first fb first view header file is created, and this first view class name whatever I have given is declared inside this. And go to view, solution explorer. Here you can, when you expand this, these many header file, so files are there. From source file and header file you can see this first view header file which we created here for this view is there, and the class definitely source file is there for fv first view.cpp and .h class for this view. So in mainframe, the handler that we created here, you need to add code to display this view. For that, first we have to register our view. This view we have to register with the document. For that we have to go to application class, this mmfc view.cpp, click on the here, click here this cmfc view app, click on here. From here select init instance method. I'll increase the font. Come to init instance function. You can see here register the application document templates, frame, windows and view. So let's copy these lines of code, copy it, Ctrl C, and paste it, Ctrl V. And now I am going to add this view. So to add this view, in init instance method, just let's declare one more variable saying first view, and this first view should be replaced here as well, in this place. So now I have created one variable of multi-doc template, and the most important thing we have to do is we have to add our class, register our class. This for this view, the class that we have created, which is present inside this fb first view.h. You can see this class we have created for this view. So come here, copy this class name, and in mainframe.cpp, in mmfc view.cpp, in init instance method, here you give the class of the view that you want to display. Now it is saying must be a class or namespace name, because this class is present inside this header file. We have to include this header file in this. Let's include the header file as include fv first view, and let's go to select this mmfc init instance method, and let's see this mmfc view, you can see this fb first view. Then now this error has gone. Next we have to, in mainframe class, you have to add code to display this view. For that I have already done with coding. I'll just copy paste to reduce the time. And see it here, this mmfc document, it is saying undefined, because this document is MFC view doc is present in this header file. This MFC view doc.h, you can see this class. So to reduce this error, we have to include that header file here as well. Come up, include CMFC doc.h. Next, from here choose mainframe, on view, select on view, and you can see it here. This sorry, still the error is there. Okay, sorry, we did with something wrong with coding. Now here you can see this something need. Here you have to include MFC this MFC view doc. Come to on view, here see, you can see this error has come. The next thing we have to add here for the variable, we have to give the name of the variable that we created in init instance. This variable, copy this variable, come to mainframe and give it here. And you can notice here this MFC view app has no member first view, since it is a local variable inside this init instance function it is giving. Let's make it member variable of application class. For that, copy Ctrl X, cut it from here and come to header file where application class is present. This, you can see this MFC. You can see this MFC view app is here. Here let's add it, and you can see, come to mainframe, can see this error should be gone. Now next things we have to do is, you have to add our class. This FB first view is present in this header file. FB first view, you can see this, this is present, this first view is present in this header file. So in mainframe, to reduce this error, to remove this error, you have to include the header file, this header file. Let's do that. This FB first view, select this and come to this on view, and now you can see this error is gone. Now we have done with coding. Next we have to build it and display. Next, for building, before building, I'll show you the entire code so that you will be able to type this code to your application. Let's build it. You can see this code, you can copy, type, you can pause this video and type the code one by one. let's build it. Go to build. You can also use shortcut key F7. Build. See, it is build is started. Now the most important things you have to always take, you can use the same code to add how many view you want to add. First thing you have to always give based on the document class, but you have to give this document class correctly based on your application names, it will get created. Then next thing you have to do, you have to give this class name correctly for the view that you have created. Same code will be used to do all these things. Just you have to give here class name, and again one more thing, here we have to create similarly to here, create one more variable and do the same thing to add your view. We have done this. You can go to output window, can see the build is succeeded. Now let's run it. Now this dialog is coming because we have not told which view to open. So let's click OK, maximize this. Now when I press this button, it should give me my first view window. Let's click it, see my first view. So this is for today. Thanks for watching. If you have any comment, please give it.